Hello coders, I hope you guys are excited for this project. Now let's understand the high level architecture of our project. First of all, a user will set a request to our application and our application will look into a Redis cache for a response. And if a response is available in our cache, it will return to the user. And if it is not available in cache, then we will go to the database and then database will return a response. Then we will store that response in Redis cache and we will return that response to the user. Now let's talk about the endpoints that we will have in our application. The first endpoint will be a post request. It will generate a short URL from the original long URL. Second one will be a get request and it will redirect to our original URL. Now let's see how to generate a short URL. So when a request will come, we will save it in our DB. It will provide us the auto-generated ID. So we will use this auto-generated ID, convert it to a base62 encoder, and we will get a short URL out of it. And after that, we will save the original URL, short URL, and the ID in database for the future reference. Let's see how redirecting logic will work. As soon as the get request will come, we will check in Redis cache. And if that key will exist in the Redis, not in DB, it is by mistakenly written by me. So if that key will exist in the cache, we will redirect to the original URL. So if that key does not exist, then we will look up in the database and store that cache, store in cache with TTL, which is time to live, and then we will redirect to original URL. Now let's see why we are using base62 encoder instead of directly using the ID that is coming from the database. So base62 is the optimal choice because it utilizes A to Z, small a to z and 0 to 9, avoiding special character that could break the URL structures. Now the second point is the scale is massive. Identifier of just 7 character provides an enormous pool of unique hashes. So you can see the 62 to the power 7 is approximately 3.5 trillion hashes that we can generate.